everybody who the one wrecking, who the one swinging on these streets. Late night creeping while my nigga sleeping. Fuck dreams, nigga, shit real. I'm out here greeting the next nigga I see with some home runs finna be seen. Another side of me, cause shit, you thinking it's all good, but there's always a nigga doing worse in the hood. Get that understood. I've been trying for a minute, but it seems like the old me still riding in the photo finish, still in the land of the lost, making the killing. I put a lot of niggas on just so you can feel it. Whatever you been missing, shit gets dirty, niggas get greedy, and the world keeps turning. All I'm doing is counting my blessings that the Lord is sending. Yeah, he cut me off some branches, but he got his own reasons, so I'ma get what I can get. But now I wouldn't ever eat off your plate. So I got my head up, chest out with 10 toes in the dirt. Mama always told me you better find your worth. So I'm asking God, am I worthy? And I know these niggas always trying to drag me. They ain't trying to love me, they just want my money and a little bit of fame. So keep walking from where the fuck you came. I don't mean to be mean, but I done felt too much pain, seen too much rain. I'm asking God, will it ever change? But I always gotta draw response. So yeah, I'm confused. A nigga with some loose screws. Fuck it though, we all screw heads, aiming for the bread. And I ain't trying to spit this cause everybody's spitting, but this me, this is what I'm really fucking feeling. So you can scream, fuck my feelings, but all my choices ain't based on your decisions. I got my own visions, but what it looks like is niggas in my funeral crying. My DS looking from a far side, and my primos don't sorry now than me. Damn, this lost time, lost hope. My partner almost died on coke. Stop him, I can't, cause that nigga's a grown man. I can only extend my hand so far. After that, it's up yourself, cause I'm walking with God. Hold your applause, this ain't no show, but lately, my life like a movie with too many murder scenes. A lot of niggas dying, dang. I just wanna coast, stay sane, but this insanity. But nigga, hoes lost in vanity. I wouldn't change though, cause I ain't nobody to my name on the tombstone. Fuck it, I guess I'll move on. Thinking about the best, have you lost in hellstorms? So hold tight to the ones you love before you lose some.